Django, how to use custom template tag with if and else checks. I have made a custom template tag for permissions using Python. Then I loaded and used this in my template like this, which in return prints true. Now I want to use it as a check if user has permission or not. How can I use this template tag with if and else conditions? Currently I am using it like this. Is there any way that I can tweak in template tags code or any hint to use template tag in template? N.B. Previously I was using Django's permissions like this, %if perms.profile.add_user%, but due to some reasons I have to write my own template tag now. Any help will be greatly appreciated. Thanks.
You should use assignment tags. And after loading tags in templates, use it like.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.